What up guys, Miguel here from Yugatech, and the Realme 3 launched in our country today, and we have it right here. So let's do a quick unboxing. So it looks like Realme is now departing from their old red and white design and now going for this more sleek yellow and gray design. So yeah, let's get into it. In the box, ooh, that was a nice slide. And we are greeted with a jelly case in here. And if you flip that, you get your SIM ejector tool on the other side. Let's set that aside. And we get the device itself, the Realme 3. Let's set that aside too. Under that, you get your power brick and your USB-A to micro USB port. Okay, so let's set aside everything and move on to the phone. Pop this out like so. Power on. Whoa. Wait a minute. That looked a bit cool. So the blue metallic part of the back. Okay, first of all, the back is polycarbonate. It's got this blue metallic gradient in the bottom. If you can see that, it changes from blue to purple. So that's awesome. You get your fingerprint scanner at the back, dual cam setup for the rear, and you also get this dewdrop notch over here, and yeah. So the Realme 3 is powered by a MediaTek Helio P60, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, which is expandable to 256 gigs. And it's powered by a 4230 mAh battery. So setting up the phone now. So the Realme 3 is running Android 9 Pie out of the box, skinned with ColorOS 6, as you can see right here. You swipe to the left and you get Smart Assistant like every other manufacturer is doing now. You know, with Samsung you get Bixby and all that stuff. And I guess with stock Android, you get Google Assistant if you swipe to the left, which you should be able to power off. Let's launch the camera real quick and say hi to AJ. There we go. And say hi to Arel. And let's check out those photos real quick. Look at that. I actually look really good in this photo. I like this photo. I mean, there's noise. So yeah, this is the Realme 3. It's got this awesome gradient-like design, which I talked about earlier. You got your fingerprint scanner at the back. You got your power button on the right, and ergonomics. You hear that? Tactility, so cool. So, if you're interested in the Realme 3, check out our full review over here. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.